Looking for the best 10-gallon fish tanks? In this video we look at some of the top 3 10-gallon fish tanks the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Coralife Biocube Aquarium size 16. Pros: lighting system comes with a timer with both daytime and nighttime settings. Hood is hinged. Tank is very quiet. Made from a thick glass. Good construction. Filtration chamber is built into the aquarium. Cons: larger than 10 gallons. In order to use the hinged hood, you need to put this tank a couple of inches off the wall. Bottom line: a beautiful option that offers a modern look and practical features, including a timer for your lighting. At number 2. GloFish Fish Tank Kit. Pros: whisper filter is very quiet when set up correctly. Comes with plants to put in the aquarium. Includes both black light and white light for a cool effect with GloFish. Cons: this tank comes with a heater, but the quality is not great, and you may want to consider getting another heater for your tank. Bottom line: the black light feature on this 10-gallon tank is perfect for bringing out the colors of GloFish. At number 1. Aqueon Aquarium Fish Tank Starter Kit. Pros: comes with a heater. Filter works well. Includes a thermometer for monitoring water temperature. Made from glass for durability. Easy to assemble. LED is very bright. Cons: the lights on this set have a tendency to not last a long time and need replacement. Bottom line: a 10-gallon kit that really comes with everything you need to set up your aquarium. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.